Hi, welcome to LeCharme for your online appointment. Let's go through a little bit of the basics. The first thing we're going to do is walk you over and you're going to pick which necklace or bracelet that you want to use. Today, this is the one that I've chosen to use to show you how this works. So once you get your necklace or your bracelet for your video appointment, we're going to it's the same thing we would do here if you were in the store. And we center up the necklace, and then we pull it down to get a center point. Okay, and then what we do is we would show you the charms like this on the video, and it's going to be Facetime or Zoom, and you would pick out the charms that you'd like. And then after that, it comes to look like this. So you show us which ones you want. So we'll go through, we'll show you the charms up close, one by one, so you can tell us which way you want to go. Like this is a really cute pink cowboy hat that's very, everybody loves this one. And then we would come over here, back to this after you've picked all your charms. And then we would start to set everything where you would like it to go. So if you want this here, and then we would walk you through the whole process on video as to where all of your charms want to go. And then when you're finished, it will look like this. And then we'll put everything exactly where you tell us, and then we'll put it all together for you.